Mastering TOEFL Speaking Task 2, Integrated Speaking. Dive into the task description. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another enlightening video in our TOEFL preparation series. Today, we're honing in on the TOEFL speaking section, more specifically, Task 2, Integrated Speaking with an emphasis on reading and listening. As always, if there's something super essential, we'll highlight it so you can't miss it. Ready? Let's dive in. Task 2 of the TOEFL speaking section is called Integrated Speaking because it asks you to integrate multiple skills: reading, listening, and speaking. Here's how it works. 1. Reading phase. You'll begin by reading a short passage on a general topic. This passage is approximately 100 words long and you'll have 45 seconds to read it. 2. Listening phase. After reading, you'll listen to a short talk related to the passage you just read. This talk will last about 60 seconds. 3. Response phase. Once both the reading and listening phases are over, you'll have 30 seconds to prepare and another 60 seconds to speak. Your response should demonstrate your understanding of both the reading passage and the talk. Remember, this task is not just about understanding the content, but also about demonstrating your ability to synthesize and convey information from multiple sources. So, what exactly are the examiners hoping to hear in your response? 1. Content. Clearly show that you understood the main points from both the reading and the listening materials. 2. Delivery. Speak clearly, at an even pace, and with good pronunciation. 3. Language use. Employ a varied vocabulary and showcase a range of sentence structures. Avoid repeating the same words or phrases. 4. Topic development. Present your ideas in a logical manner, making sure you connect the points from both the reading and listening phases. Here's a tip. While listening, try to identify the relationship between the listening talk and the reading passage. Are they opposing viewpoints? Does one expand on the other? Understanding this can help structure your response. Take notes. During the reading and listening phases, jot down main points. This will assist you in formulating a coherent response. Practice time management. It's easy to get lost in details. Focus on main points and don't waste too much time on minor details. Stay calm. Even if you feel like you missed a point or two, maintain your composure. A confident delivery can make a big difference. And there you have it, our deep dive into Task 2, Integrated Speaking, Reading and Listening. We hope this breakdown gives you a clearer idea of what to expect and how to tackle it effectively. Remember, like any skill, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing, stay dedicated, and soon enough, the TOEFL speaking section will be a breeze for you. Happy studying!